Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the iPhone 8 and seeing if any difference. Is it worth it? So let's get to opening it.
Don't cut yourself, okay?
Okay. Okay. So let's see what's inside. Bunch of cards. They have stickers. Yay. And the iPhone itself. So the home button, you can't click it at all. So that's pretty cool. They have the charger, adapter, and the headphones and the adapter to the iPhone. So it's turning on. English, setting it up. Already can tell the display looks great. Display looks very good. So let's get it.
You entering the password?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's strange.
Don't
Connect.
No, can't connect.
Yeah. Unable to join. That's
so
weird.
without
You need to set it up. Yeah. Well, that's strange. So the display, you can see right away, takes up much more. And all glass. This looks great. The camera, definitely smaller than the iPhone 7. It looks very much like the iPhone SE with this thing. Way more minimalistic.
Okay, so what are we doing? Shall we work on the
Yeah, let's
network
try.
and then...
Let's try connecting it.
Okay, try again.
Mama, все. First turn off. So now we finally connected to the Wi-Fi. Let's go. Now it's activating. I really like how this bottom, it's different. It's very, more like a square. It seems like it's easier to hold in your hands. It seems better, more simple design. So we got this at Costco. So it came with the...
We had to buy this.
Yeah. We got the screen protector and the case. And also some more accessories. Another charger. This, a portable charger. So yeah, it's great. Huh. That's strange. Let's try again. So, it seems like it's taking a while to load, so that's strange. That may be a problem, because it's brand new, so Apple may just be still working on it, so that's probably why. But let's start unpacking the case.
So it has a case and a screen protector?
Yes.
Okay. That's what I was told. Can you do it now? Can you put the screen protector on?
Sure.
Oh, so it can't.
Okay. So it came with a bunch of things to prepare it. This is the screen protector itself. And then the case. Regular see-through case.
Yeah, because you want to show off.
the back, the design. Doesn't look like a rose gold.
It's not rose gold.
It's like a white, almost off-white.
It is a gold. This is gold.
It's like an off-white.
Yeah.
Really interesting
Mine
design.
is rose gold.
Yeah, it's a very interesting design. It's brand new. Yeah, the camera looks different, that's for sure. It's very different from the iPhone 7 Plus camera, which is a dual camera. It's only single. So for some reason, it's not connecting. But, yeah.
Do you want to put the screen protector on?
Okay.
Because you need to wash your hands before doing it.
Yeah.
No, not this one. I mean...
No, well, first we need to put on the case. The case is more important. So yeah, it seems like that doesn't work. Well, that's strange, but we'll prepare to put on the screen protector. So now the dust absorber. Let's get it cleaned.
Yeah, because it's a lot of dust from taking from the box and then put it here.
Oh yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Okay. Let's clean it off a little more.
You should have cleaned your hands first.
It's fine. Okay. Who needs directions? Okay. Let's take off.
Careful.
Yeah.
Don't mess it up though.
Okay.
You sure you can do it?
Yes. Oh, okay. Now it finally worked. Let's put on the screen protector first.
Okay. Careful. Don't mess it up.
Okay.
Because once you stick it, you can't take it out, right?
Yeah.
So take your time.
Okay. And we got it.
Oh, dude, you got it right?
Yeah. Almost perfect. It's sealing. And it's good. Okay. Now set up Touch ID later. Wait. Don't use. So we'll show
I'm
you.
not gonna show the passcode.
Yeah.
Did you remember it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what should we do here? Set up his new iPhone?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's set up his new iPhone. Can't skip this.
Can you skip it? No.
No, can't. Here, I'll set it up. So we've entered the Apple ID, and well, let's see. Let's continue setup later. And the usual. Let's see without it, the difference. You can see the difference, can you? It looks so different. It's great. The True Tone display, the new home button, all looks great. Let's do the standard. And it is, here it is. The new wallpaper looks great. Now let's test out the camera. Now the camera is improved from the iPhone 7. It can record videos in 4K for up to 60 frames per second, which is very great. And it can record slow-mo up to 1K, so it's very good. Let's test out the photo. Okay, let's try like this, just in case. The depth looks great. I really like it. It seems awesome.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks like more depth and just better. The video quality. Let's do here. Let's just move it. Now let's see. Still very good quality even when I shake it. It's great. It's awesome. And of course, with iOS 11, the new control center, and of course you can't forget about the AR, augmented reality. It's very interesting.
Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, so augmented reality. Apple has introduced new apps and different games with augmented reality in it. For example, I believe there's Stack, which is a classic game, and you can play that now in augmented reality. And if you don't know what augmented reality is, it's pretty much like when you play Pokemon Go. It's how you can see the Pokemon. And it's very great.
Where do you see the Pokemon?
So you know how when you point the camera, you can see it in the world.
Mhm.
That's augmented reality. Now they have more and more apps that use this augmented reality feature, and that's why iPhone has gotten that better.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
yeah, it seems great. They have a new Clips app. I don't know what that is, but we'll test it out later. But yeah, overall, it seems like a great new phone.
Okay.
Settings is different. It's great. Yeah.
So it's better than 7?
I don't know. It definitely looks better aesthetically, but I can't really tell just by looking at it, just like a little bit. But it seems like it's faster and overall better.
Okay.
It's definitely worth it to buy, just for the camera. The front-facing camera is 7 megapixels, which is great for a front-facing camera, and everything is just great. So yeah.
All right. That's
That's it.
it.
Mhm.